So for this problem, there are two equations, and it says that the system has no solutions. A and B are constants. What's the value of A over B? Okay, so a system has no solutions. Let's remember what a system of linear equations is. On a graph, there are literally two lines, and we're trying to find the intersection point. Okay, so I'm just going to draw two random lines, this one and this one right here. This system right here of two lines has one intersection point, hence it has one solution. Okay? There are three different things that could happen. You could have one solution like this. You could have infinite solutions. Infinite solutions would look like this. One line is directly on top of the other line. So
don't ruin the colors.
I know. I was gonna. If one line and another line are in fact the same line, then every point one line has, the other line also has. So therefore, there's an infinite set of points in both directions. There are infinite solutions. And then there's this occasion. For no solutions, the two lines do not intersect at any point. How is it possible for two lines to never intersect if they're parallel? Two lines have to have the same slope, and then they'll never intersect. So this line here, parallel lines have the same slope. So therefore, these two lines need to have the same slope, okay? To find the slope of this line, I could put this in slope-intercept form. It's actually not necessary, because if I just assume that this coefficient is the same as this, and this coefficient is the same as this, these two lines are bound to have the same slope. If this is 3/4, if B is 1/2, this line will have the same slope as this line, and therefore they're never going to touch. So A is going to be 3/4. B is going to be, notice that we're subtracting by, so we want to use positive 1/2. So A over B would be 3/4 divided by 1/2. Whenever I have vertical division like this, I always like to remind myself how fraction division works with just normal horizontal division. So 3/4 times the reciprocal of 1/2, which is 2 over 1, which is going to give me 6 over 4 3/2. That's going to be the answer.